All right, we have our lotus blossom. We have fleshed out our primary idea in the center, the supporting cast members directly around it, and then taken those supporting cast members, given them their own block of 9, and taken the ideas into another level of specificity. If you are watching this video and you've skipped ahead, please go back to video 1. This will not make sense. It goes in a progression, and I don't want to unknowingly have you confused out there. So now we go, okay, great, Tamsen, I have everything laid out. I've stuck with you. I've put everything where it's supposed to go, but how do I actually get this done? Now we're going to switch over. I'm going to take you into Trello. This is a program that I use because I can share it with people. I can duplicate my checklists. If I'm doing anything more than once and it can be automated, I'm going to automate it. I have small children. There are things that I totally cannot automate, even though I do them 50 times a day. So when it comes to business, this is where we definitely are going to automate. So let's go into Trello and let me show you how I then take this, or a mind map, and put it into the, yes, we're going to get stuff done today. All right, we are here inside the PBK Community Board. PBK is Preneur Business Club. I created it. I love hosting this, and I use this myself. So inside Trello, you will see that you can have different columns, all right? Now, these columns, as you are doing your idea, really could be these supporting pieces. This is where it's really important to remember that we are continually in a test kitchen. Like all great chefs of the world, all great builders, all great creators, they have to test ideas. So I'm going to show you the framework that works for me. If you're already a Trello user, hopefully you'll be able to just blend this into what you're already doing. But otherwise, try Trello. There's a free version. I've included the link. You click on it. You can totally try it out. And it will, you can see how you like it. Yours may not end up being organized the way that I've done mine at all. But this is, for instance, let's take a look at the landing page checklist. So underneath my checklist, I can open up the landing page. And then I know, okay, I'm going to create a landing page. So here's my checklist. Click on details and customize all the fields. You do that first so that you don't break any of the links. So I'm like, okay, cool. I'm going to now go in and start working on this checklist. The nice thing is I can duplicate it whenever I need to. So for Lotus Blossom here, I need to build a product. So I can go underneath my products checklist. I can click on, I want to build a product, and right here, I know here are the steps that go into this. So if you've never been a checklist person, I encourage you, become a checklist person. This helps hospitals, it helps pilots, it helps banks. Every single profession uses checklists. You're a business. You're doing stuff more than once. Use checklists. In PBK, these are the checklists that we use. This is what, so that we're not reinventing the wheel. And then as Kajabi adds things, they change up things. The product that we're all using today looks nothing like when I started with it in 2015. It continues to grow. It continues to evolve. So as buttons change, as process changes, then you just update your checklist. So that is how I go through my Lotus Blossom and I go, yep, I'm making community. Community is a product. So here, what do I need to do? Well, for me, I always tell people, you have got to map out what your product's going to look like. Haha, lotus blossom, perfect layout for a product. Mind mapping, perfect layout for a product. For those of you that are linear thinkers, a traditional Harvard Business School outline, absolutely. Does not matter how you do it. All that matters is that you have a path that you can follow, that you don't have to reinvent every time you sit down to do something. That's just wasted time and money. So here, graphics. Yep, I need to take care of my images. From the dashboard, click on products, create a new product, generate the product, give the product a name. Now I can start editing. So even if I'm having a really rough day with the kids and I'm kind of tired and my brain might not be at its peak, I can follow a checklist. I can still get stuff done. And if I'm working with someone else, they can totally see my cards in Trello, and then we're not stepping on each other's toes. So that is how I go from Lotus Blossom mind map to getting action and getting it done. So that is the entire how to do Lotus Blossom. Again, if you have never heard of this book, it's called Thinker Toys. I use many of the ideas that I've gotten in this over the last few years. It's a great book. It's where this idea came from. And if there's anything that I can answer for you, please pop it into the comments. I love helping people map out their Lotus Blossom, figuring out ways to communicate it even more clearly and more simple, because that saves us time, it saves us money, it gets us out from behind these laptops and transforming people's lives. So have fun. Get it done. Your action should tell you that is go take this and turn it into what your action plan is. If you use Asana, put it in there. If you use Trello, put it in there. If you use MeisterTask, put it in there. Where does this need to go for you? If you don't have anything, I highly recommend Trello. You can click the link. I will give you access to some of the boards to get you started so that you don't need to reinvent the wheel. And now you may have fun, get it done, and I will see you again very soon. Bye-bye.